So we're down to our #1 most popular video of 2018. Thank you all. We have over 2.5 million views on this video. And let me just talk a little bit about a few of the points that people have asked about in the video. The patient obviously lives alone, and you heard me maybe trying to be part podiatrist, part social worker, which is something that she really needed. The dry skin on her feet, that is another complication that we have with diabetic patients, is that they get very dry skin. Now, you heard her say that she was not checking her blood sugar at all, and therefore she really isn't taking care of her diabetes. And there was also a wound on the bottom of the right foot that we did in a different video, but she had just the whole spectrum of diabetic problems. She couldn't feel that the nails were as long as they were, which in itself could have led to an open wound. She has the very dry, cracked skin, which could lead to infection. And she wasn't taking care of herself. She had the wound on the bottom. So 3 very serious issues connected with her diabetes. The other thing that I wanted to address is she and I did talk about that we were thinking of putting in a pedicurist or installing a pedicurist in one of our rooms. And this didn't pan out after I checked on licensing and whether it would be feasible. In my state, which is Minnesota, when I checked into it, the minute that a nail tech would pick up a nail polish, whether it was clear or colored, now we are labeled as a salon. I would then have to get a salon license, and in order to have nail techs and a salon license, I have to hire a nail tech with a salon manager credential. So between the insurance and all of the licensing, it just at this time was not feasible to do it. So for those of you who have asked if we ever got around to it, that's the long answer to that. So again, enjoy. This is our #1 video from 2018, and thank you again for watching our videos.
You know what? I know you're going to make them look beautiful.
But this can't be the first time you're seeing them look like this.
Well, no, but this is the first time I'm getting such a good look at them.
And all these nails, they haven't been cut in over a year.
Since I saw you last, sweetheart.
Yeah.
I'll do better. Okay, Doc?
Well, it's not about me. It's about...
Oh, no, I know that, but I mean, I'll do better. This is
Well, what we need to do is we need to just get you in here on a more regular basis.
Okay.
So, do these, I would assume these are kind of painful.
Well, not too bad.
Now these nails don't hurt in your shoe?
No.
Okay. See, that one curves all the way around and goes right back into the skin. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see that? Okay, so let's start with that one, because that one's probably going to be the most uncomfortable to trim. Look at that.
Well, you sure did a good job, though, kiddo.
You see that? Wow. All right. If you'd left that a few more weeks, it would have grown right back into the skin and cut the skin.
I better be more on the ball.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to have you set up your next appointment before you leave this one.
Okay.
Okay? And that way you can't ignore me for the whole next year and a half again. Okay?
Yes, boss.
Because then if you miss the appointment, we'll call you.
Well, that's a good thing.
But we call you before your appointment, don't we?
I don't remember.
We didn't yesterday because we talked already.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, Alex is our receptionist / videographer.
Ah, so.
Makes
2 for the price of 1, huh? Yeah, I'm really a dipshit.
You what?
I'm a dipshit.
No, you're not. Listen, life happens. And that's why we just need to get these things on the calendar so that a whole year doesn't go by and suddenly you realize you haven't been back. And look, we got a clipper that's not squeaky today. Is this hurting?
A little bit.
Okay, I'll take smaller bites here.
Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, I knew something was askew.
Now, do you live alone?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And do you have anybody who comes in and helps you do things?
Yeah, I do.
Anybody, a home health aide?
No.
Okay, so just people who come and do things like cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, will you get me connected with a home health aide? Oh,
Sorry. Okay, just relax that, we can try, that probably would be better coming from your primary doctor, but we can try and get the ball rolling and see what we can do. Have your blood sugars been managed pretty well?
yeah, I don't do them anymore.
You don't check your blood sugars?
Nope,
How come?
I don't know. Don't want to. Oh,
Do you still take the metformin?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're not on insulin?
No.
Okay. Okay, so everything I'm taking off here is not attached, okay?
Okay.
So I'm not gonna be ripping anything off or anything like that. So this mostly should not hurt, okay? You tell me if it does.
Yeah, I would assume it's unattached, otherwise I'd probably feel it.
Very much. Do you ever soak your feet or put lotion on?
No. Yeah, I should, shouldn't I?
Yeah. Is that something that people who come to your house could help you with? Or they're
No.
strictly for cleaning and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Are you in your own home or are you in
Yes.
a... Okay.
Yes. Yeah, they're pretty nasty, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Has your family talked to you at all about moving into a senior building, or not that you need assisted living, but just someplace where there's
Not
more people
really.
around?
Not really.
No. Do you have one of those I've fallen and I can't get up necklaces?
No.
No.
I used to have real cute feet, you know that? And feet are definitely the ugliest part of your body.
Some people think that. You're right. You think they're uglier than ears?
Well, I don't think yours are so bad.
I don't think ears are that bad either.
Yeah, no, I think yours are kind of cute. You got cute ears too, and my ears aren't that bad either.
Well, just a matter of taste. You know, I don't look at feet anymore and think pretty or not pretty.
You don't, huh?
No.
I've kind of gotten used to feet now.
Yep, they're just feet that have long nails, or feet that have dry skin, or feet that are broken, or, yeah,
Or feet that need help.
right.
Oh, I'm glad you're gonna take care of my son. I'm very, very glad.
So we're floating around the idea of getting a pedicurist in here so that after I trim these way back, you could get a pedicure to make them look prettier. Probably somewhere between $25 and $40. Would that be something that you would ever?
Does my insurance cover that?
No, that would be like getting a pedicure, so no. Would that ever be anything you think you would want to do?
Yeah, actually, I have this lady friend that she goes to this Asia lady.
Mm-hmm.
It's called AZAC or something.
So it's a salon.
Yeah,
A
it's a
pedicure
salon.
salon.
Yeah, a salon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it would be kind of like that. So it wouldn't be under insurance. It would just be, you could go from right here to down the hall. So that would be, I'm just kind of checking in with patients to see if that would be something they would want to do. You think that you probably would, huh?
Yeah, well, I had my lady friend take me over to this other place. I know this lady.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, because she can soak them and, you know, take the cuticles back and...
Yeah, this friend of mine, she takes care of her feet. She's got beautiful feet.
Mm-hmm. Well, yours aren't bad. They're just very dry.
Never. You know, there's a part right down beneath those three middle toes there.
Mm-hmm.
It hurts.
Right, there was another little callus right there.
Oh, that's why.
Yes, sir.
So I should come and see you now 3 months from
Well,
now?
no, you're gonna come and see me next week because we gotta get this wound all healed up.
Next week I am, okay.
Okay? Let's do this.
Okie dokie.
I'm also gonna give you a prescription for a lotion. It's the one I gave you also a year and a half ago.
Is that stuff still good?
Well, did you get it last time?
I think I did.
Okay, well, I'm gonna send in a new prescription. And I want you to use it twice a day. And, now what do you have at home in terms of bandages?
Oh, I don't know, honey, not much, I don't think.
Can you reach this part of your foot?
If I pull it up here?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get you a prescription for an antibiotic cream that you're gonna put on there every day with a bandage. Okay, so this is a vast improvement from where we started, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
Go home a pound or two lighter now, right? Okay, so we'll end the video and then I'm gonna just put the bandage on.